my dear students and my dear viewers. So let's get started. Today's lesson, I'm going to focus on the reading skills. See, in any language, there are 4 skills involved. Speaking skill, listening skill, reading skill and writing skill. So these 4 skills are the main, you can say the backbone of learning any language. So in English, we are going to take up reading skill today. Now see, one thing you must have noticed when we are reading a text, we are reading a paragraph, we are reading a lesson, a story, we get stuck in words. We are not clear with the words, so our reading gets hampered. We are not able to read properly. We get stuck while reading. So one exercise which you can do is you can pick up the words, random words from a text. You can underline the words. The method is up to you, whichever you want to adopt. But how you can do it, that I'm going to help you with. So I have picked up few words which I'm going to take up today, and I'm going to take up the pronunciation drills today with you. So let's get started without wasting time. Now, 2 things you have to remember. One is spelling the word and then pronounce the word. So let us come to the first word, grand. G-R-A-N-D, grand. Furlough. F-U-R-L-O-U-G-H, furlough. The sound which you make while you are speaking a word is very important. The clarity of the word is important while you are reading. So your reading is going to be good when your word is clear or it is audible to your class or to your audience. Next is wild. W-I-L-D, wild. One more thing I want to tell you, students, that when you are focusing on a word, whether it is a simple word or it is a big word, the spelling of the word is very important. The clarity of the word is very important. It seems, oh, this is a small word, I can just, speak it softly and go with it. No. Even a small word like wild and how you pronounce it is very important, because that creates an impact on the audience or the class. So let's repeat. It looks simple, but we can practice it in the same way. W-I-L-D, wild. Large. L-A-R-G-E, large. Next, original. O-R-I-G-I-N-A-L, original. We can repeat the spelling of the word if we think it is new for us or it is difficult for us. So we'll do it here again. O-R-I-G-I-N-A-L, original. One more thing which is coming to my mind is, if you have a notebook with you, you can also write that word along as you are spelling the word. Very, very effective and important way of improving your pronunciation drill. So let's go to the next. Elaborate. E-L-A-B-O-R-A-T-E, elaborate. Next, 3-letter word, simple, but the sound is very important. P-E-T, pet. You must see how your lips are moving. That is also very important. P-E-T, pet. Next, ambition. A-M-B-I-T-I-O-N, ambition. We'll do it once again. A-M-B-I-T-I-O-N, ambition. Now in English, most of the time when a word ends with T-I-O-N, the sound is shun. So you can also remember that. Ambition. Next, we come to vast. V-A-S-T, vast. Repeat. V-A-S-T, vast. Next, present. 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 Next, financial. 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 Next, SCOLD. Scold. Let's repeat. SCOLD. Scold. So as we are doing the lesson, many of you will be very familiar with the words. Many of you who are learning, the words might be totally new, and many of the words will be like, oh, this is how you pronounce it. So see, it is becoming interesting. We all are learning together. Next is comprehensive, a big word but very interesting. Comprehensive. Comprehensive. You know, when we have a big word, how to learn a big word is, I'll tell you later in my lessons, but today I'll just tell you in short that we can break the word and see how it can become very simple. com, Prehensive. So we break it into parts. Comprehensive. And many times we see that there are many words hidden in a big word. Like there's a word hen here. There is a word pre here. So I think English is very interesting when you think it is interesting. And you know, we all are learning English because we all want to be good in English wherever we go, whomever we meet. Since it is a global language, we must work hard for it. It is going to help you someday or the other. So next, let's come to the next word. A very simple word but important. MAD. Mad. How you are going to pronounce, how your lips are going to move. You know, this is the exercise which we are doing here. Mad. DEEP. 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 Next, favorite. FAVOURITE. A very common word. You said this is my favorite ice cream. I think we use this word almost every day. Favorite. FAVOURITE. So small children in the school make a lot of mistake here. So how can we, remember these words? Are again breaking it. FAVOURITE. We can break it into 3 parts. FAVOURITE. Favorite. And then we pronounce it again. Let's do it once again. This is one of my favorite words too. FAVOURITE. Favorite. Let's go to the next word. Fine. 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 Many of you must be thinking, oh, I'm not clear with the meaning, how to use it in a sentence. So just relax. I'm going to take up that part in my next lesson. Today I'm just taking up the pronunciation drill. So let's go to the next word. Christian. 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 Next, matrimonial. Let's pronounce it together. Matrimonial. 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 Next, evil. 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 Next, entire. 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 Fraudulent. 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 Next, precious. A lot of mistake happens here. So the very common mistake which I have observed in the classes, everybody is saying it precious. It is not precious, it is precious. PRECIOUS. C-I-O-U-S. A very special word again. Precious. So everything, there's so many things with us which are precious to us, you know, our friends, our belongings, etc., etc. Precious. So here also we break the word and learn the spelling. Let's go to the next one. Gigantic. 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 Next, ingenious. 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 One more time. Ingenious. Ingenious. Next, certain. 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 Once again, certain. Certain. Now some of you must be thinking that, you know, she's repeating it again and again. So I think that is a very good exercise for remembering the word. Repetition, repetition, repetition. Very, very important. So you will see one day those words will automatically come to your mind when you're writing, when you're speaking. So this happens in your subconscious mind. You just, you know, memorize it internally. Next, wonderful. 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 Next, crooked. 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 One more time. CROOKED. Crooked. Next, definite. 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 One more time. DEFINITE. Definite. And the last word for today is complete. Our lesson is also complete today. COMPLETE. 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 So these are the words we have done today. These are the random words from a book where there are some simple words, difficult words, but what we have learned today, or what we are learning today, is how to memorize words, how to pronounce words. Now, when these words are clear to you, when you read a lesson, when you are reading, now we are going to take up a reading of a paragraph in my further lessons also. But this is one exercise which will help you to spell a word properly, to pronounce a word properly. And I think this lesson is going to help the small children also, because the method is the same. So my dear parents who teach children at home, you can use this method. Tell your children to pronounce the word, to spell the word correctly, and repetition is very important. And so this is the way we can all play with the words and go on enhancing our reading skills. So thank you so much. If you have liked this lesson, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and relatives and everyone you know. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening. Goodbye.